So using the gourmet equipment to cut, we just place it there. Place it here. Placing the gourmet equipment to cut is so easy. So I'm going to get 4 large meat pies from this first bowl. 4 large meat pie in this first bowl. And then now I will cut. We put some of this. So this dough is made of fish, carrots. There's this particular fish you use for fish pie. It's a particular fish you use for fish pie. It's called fillet. It's boneless. That's it. It's boneless. You boil it and you match it and mix it with the Did you see that? It's closed up. That is the side of the meat pie. It's closed up already. This is the easiest way to make it. Instead of using fork to press the edges, that's the meat pie inside. Then we are ready to go.